I said, I'm sorry, but I can't stay, because in those 4 months I'd attended a lot of my classes in the beginning, but in those 4 months I was so stressed and my mental health had deteriorated to a point where it wasn't possible for me to cope. So I started working in London in October. It was hard because everyone was so much older than I was. There were so few people that were really trying to get to know me as a person. They were like, oh, you're part of the new scheme that we've got going here. Okay, that's fine. I used to suffer from panic attacks due to something in my first job, and I got better before I went up to London, and I started having them again because it was such a pressurised environment to work in, and most of the people that I worked with were all slightly older, and a lot of them had some form of support, or they're used to it, or they all lived in London, or quite close. I travelled like around an hour and a half each way every day. I was knackered. At 17, it's a lot harder because your mentality isn't the same as when you're in your early 20s. It's not quite at that point